Hey guys, Lou again from Metatron Garage. Promised you guys that I was gonna do a startup, and so we can hear this beautiful sound of the exhaust. So here I am, finally getting outside, finally taking this thing for a spin. Freaking been waiting for this for a few months, so this should be exciting. Yesterday I thought I was gonna take it out for a spin, but turns out I'm an idiot. Turns out I didn't put it on a trickle charger all winter, and battery was dead, and it was beyond dead. It was really dead. When that happens, I learned from an old timer that you just need to throw the battery on a trickle for 24 hours, and then it fixes the problem. Sometimes it doesn't, but I think it did this time because I think it's gonna start. So let's see how we do. All right, cheers, guys. All right, guys. Before we start her up, and she's looking pretty clean right now. That's why I want to do this video, because I'm about to get it very dirty. Driveway is pure mud, so it's gonna get just impossible to clean past beyond this. So this is as clean as she'll ever get, and you know, I'm gonna be happy to look at this video a few years from now, looking at the beauty. I found a piece to cover this now, so I'm gonna get the SW Motec in the end. It's a nice metal piece. It's all square and it hides the whole thing, so that's coming in the mail. I'll do a review on that, but otherwise nothing's really changed since the last vid that I did back around Christmas. The only thing is I couldn't find a plate carrier that I like, and obviously with the mods that I did to the fender, couldn't do the tail tidy of any sort that you can buy on the market. So, and the JVB had that piece that goes here, right? So your plate end up here, and I find that this really ruins the look. Like our Ducati Scrambler came like that, and it just ruins the look, because now the freestanding wheel is what creates, to me, the most impressive part of the geometry. So we didn't want to do that, so I stuck it under here. Let me see if you guys can see on this panel that you can buy from JVB. It's kind of a mud guard of theirs, but it's perfect for mounting the plate. And we have the exact same location on our Scrambler for like 6 years now, and we've never been pulled over by the cops. So I think it's totally gonna work out. If you're at a distance, you can totally see the numbers. So yeah, should be fine. All right. Let's hear that SC project. Let's hear USC project.